Okay, so the Milwaukee fastback. There was a particular model of the Milwaukee fastback, and you can flick it open. I've lost mine, and apparently they've stopped making the model that I had. But these are pretty good. This is the Ox. You can put blades in here. Go on the side, there's a magnet to keep them in. But you hold this bit here, and over time, you can flick it open just the same. So, one-handed. The only thing that this hasn't got, that the Milwaukee fastback had, it doesn't have a 45-degree lock. It just goes straight up. But you do have the little stringy thing there, and that is pretty damn good as well. It's a good mechanism. I mean, you can hear the click is pretty nice. Not as nice as the fastback, but yeah, good clip as well. So if you lose your fastback and you can't get hold of one of the old version, don't go for Stanley's or any of them. Yeah, there's the Irwin as well, but it just doesn't do this.